Krisha Balani, your art teacher and art mentor. This video is all about lines. इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ lines की बातें करने वाले हैं. In this video, I'm going to tell you why line quality is important to improve for your drawing skills. I will tell you different 10 exercises to improve your line quality, and at the end I have a gift for you. So please stay connected with me till the end to reveal that gift. Before we start, I just want you to be ready with a notebook and a pen so that you make notes of everything, like why improving line quality is important, and also make the notes of 10 different exercises which you have to practice. First, we will see why improving line quality is important. Make sure that you note down this heading. Okay, so line is the one of the visual element of art. Every drawing starts with line. हम कोई भी drawing करते हैं that starts with a line. So अगर हमें drawing अपनी अच्छी करनी है, drawing skills को improve करना है, तो हमें हमारी lines को improve करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Drawing करनी है तो lines के पास इतनी important क्यों है? Because you know lines helps you to create patterns. Line helps you to create textures. Line helps you to create the outline of a shape, and we can also do the shading with the lines. Okay, so without line there is nothing. We cannot do anything without line. Lines help us to create outline of a shape. Lines help us to create textures. Line help us to create the movement and rhythm in the artwork. Line help us to create the patterns, and line help us to do the shading as well. Now we will see 10 different exercises to practice the line. If you practice these 10 exercises, these exercise can be like a warm up exercise too. अगर आप ये 10 exercise daily practice करते हैं, your line will definitely get improved. 10 exercise to practice lines. Like I'm going to tell you 10 different exercise. By practicing these exercises, you will definitely improve your lines. So first one is we have to draw parallel horizontal lines. Okay, you have to draw the lines throughout your paper. Like you have to go from left to right like this. Okay, and make sure that your lines are parallel. Okay, let me do it a little bit darker like this. Okay, make sure that your lines are parallel. So like this you have to practice horizontal lines. This is the exercise first. Second exercise is you have to draw parallel vertical lines. So like this one, it should be parallel, and try to maintain the same gap in between them. Like this, you have to practice parallel vertical lines. This is the second exercise. Third exercise is draw slant lines. Okay, so let's say draw slant lines like this. Again, try to maintain the same gap in between them. Like in this direction, you can try it in other direction. Like this, you can draw it like this. So like this, try to draw slant lines, and again they are going to be parallel. This is the third exercise. Fourth exercise is draw dash lines. Okay, this is very easy and fun to do. You just have to make dashes. First, make the dash of the same size. Now make the dashes with different size, like big, small, big, small, big, small. Now you can make variation in them, like small, big, small, big, small, big. Go like this. So like this you can try the different types of dash lines, like small, big, small, big. First try to make all the dash lines with the same size, and then you can add on the variation in that. So this one is the fourth exercise you have to practice for improving your line. Now fifth exercise is connecting the dots. What you have to do, like just put a dot over here, put a dot over here, and connect this dot. Okay, I did it vertically. Now I will put one dot over here and one dot over here. Connect it horizontally. Okay, now you know this is a point, and from a point we can make infinite lines. So what you have to do, you have to keep on making the dots passing through the center and connect them. This is a dot, this is a dot, and connect it like this. So do as many as you can. Your hand and eye coordination will improve with this exercise, and also your line drawing will also improve. Okay, so like this you have to connect the dots. Now this is the fifth exercise. Sixth exercise is draw hatches. Now what are hatches? Hatches are parallel lines in different angles, but they are like very near to each other, having very less gap in between them. And let me show you how you can draw the hatches. So like this you have to make hatch lines, or we call it hatching also. This is also one of the sketching technique. Okay, like this you have to make lines very near to each other. This is known as the hatching. Okay, like this you have to do the hatching. This is sixth exercise. Seventh exercise is draw geometric shapes. Okay, like this. I did a triangle and a rectangle. Let's make a square and a circle. Okay, now inside it you have to do the hatches. Okay, like go from one to other side of the shape and try to do within the shape. Okay, in this one you need to be more focused, because you have to do within the shape only, don't go outside the shape. So like this you have to fill the shape. You will get control in your hand by doing this exercise, and also your focus will improve by doing this kind of exercise. So this one is the seventh exercise. Now eighth is you have to practice cross hatches. Like we did hatches over here, now we are going to do the cross hatches. Okay, so let's make cross hatches. Means we have to make the hatches first, then we have to make lines which are going to be at right angle to this, like this. Okay, if I make lines vertically, I will go horizontally. If I make lines in this angle, then I will make lines in this angle. So like this you have to practice cross hatches. Cross hatching is also one of the sketching technique. Now you have to do the same thing in your next exercise. You have to do, like, again you have to make geometric shapes like this. Make a square and a circle. Okay, now do the hatching in it. Like I'm making my lines in this angle, in this part, in this rectangle, and opposite direction. Okay, I'm just telling you to do it in the geometric shape because these are the basic shape. You can try it on the organic shapes, you can try it on the flowers, leaves, anything. You just have to practice the line, so like how you can do within a shape. Like this you have to add cross hatches. Now the last exercise is it's like it's give you a joy, it's give you stress free. Like we created this dash line, it's again going to be a fun. And this is the last and the 10th exercise. You have to draw wave lines like this. You have to draw zigzag lines. You can draw it sleeping, you can draw it vertically, you can draw it slant, zigzag lines, and you have to make continuous lines. Like continuous line is like you have to keep on moving your pencil like you are scribbling. Okay, so these are the 10 exercises which you have to practice for improving your line. Let's quickly recap the lines which we have learned. So this is the exercise 1. This is the exercise 1 making this is the exercise 1 making horizontal lines. Okay, so this is horizontal lines. Exercise 2 making vertical lines. Exercise 3 making slant lines. Okay, then exercise 4 dashed lines. Exercise 5 connecting the dots. Exercise 6 hatches. Exercise 7 fill hatches inside geometric shape. Exercise 8 cross hatching or cross hatches. Exercise 9 fill cross hatches in geometric shape. Okay, and the last exercise is exercise 10 wave lines, zigzag lines, and continuous line, continuous long line. So these are the total 10 exercise which we have to practice to improve our line drawing. Okay, which will improve our lines, because line is the basic element, the main important element of the art. If you improve your line, your drawing will improve. So we have seen these 10 different exercises to improve our line. Now it's time for the gift. Are you guys excited for the gift? If you are excited, just comment down excited. So I have a gift for you. I made a worksheet for you all guys to practice line, and this worksheet is absolutely free. I'm putting the link of this worksheet. You can download it. I'm putting the link to download this worksheet in the description box. You just go through there and get your this worksheet, and it's a PDF file. You can download it, print it, and you can practice it whenever you want. And you can. This is one of the best worksheet because I have included all these 10 exercise for you guys. Like there will be horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, wave lines, and connecting the dots, everything which I just told you about all these 10 different exercises. I'm going to give these exercises in that worksheet. That worksheet is super fun, and also it improves your line quality. So just go through the link and take your worksheet. If you really liked my videos, don't forget to comment and share and subscribe. Don't forget to like also. And which topic I should make next for you guys, like any particular topic you want me to make the video on that, just comment down also. I will definitely make a video on that. Thank you.